Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to the best free assets for June, July 2026. And I'm going to feature the best selection that you can find on the Unity Asset Store for this month. And do remember, I'll leave all the links in the description to all over 100 assets that you'll find for this month and all the assets featured in this video too. Do be sure to throw a like and make sure you subscribed because it helps me out massively. While we're on the subject of free assets, this week you can find the stylized downtown street, which you can get for free if you use the code TIRGAMES2026 at checkout, and you can get this for free. And if you're somebody who's looking for a bundle, there's a new one that's hit Humble Bundle, and there's loads of cool toon based assets which you can get a full pack of their 16 packs here for around $27. So it includes things like their Toon Adventure Island, Meadows, Farm Pack, Deserts, Cars, Nature, and loads of other stuff there as well. So we're going to start off with the one-click Add Water stylized water shader. So this is a perfect one for URP and any 3D project, and it allows you to have a one-click for a surface setup. It has dynamic waves, adjustable surface foam, refraction, depth-based visuals, and it's very optimized and comes with its own demo. We've got the flexible recoil system, which is an editor-based recoil system, so you can create presets and pattern paths for any FPS or third-person camera. And it has input setup and minimal coupling, so you can use it across different systems. You can even configure things like the recoil scale, the strength, and loads of things that are particularly modular. Next one, we've got the low poly home set, which is 340 different models, which are all low poly, suitable for mobile, and suitable across built-in and URP. We've got a selection of low poly weapons version 1, which comes with a selection of weapons and various attachments, whether that's bullets, optics, items, cases, different textures, and different rails, tactical lasers, launchers, just loads of stuff that's added to these weapons. We've got the Dissolve shaders for URP, which is a pack of Dissolve shader effects with Edge Glow and Mission, custom Dissolve colors. It's fully mobile friendly, and it's got a shader graph file included, so it's easy for customization too. We've got the Bob character framework, which is a framework for supporting FPS, a third-person shooter, top-down, or anything out of the box, with its own modular C# architecture and even multiplayer support. So it's got full local multiplayer, and it's got a rig that's auto-ready, and you can switch between different looks depending on the character that you want to use. We've got one that's a blast from the past almost if you were a child in a generation, the Plastic Army Men Recon Pack, which is a bunch of different static poses, army men, sidearms, gear, rifles, and vehicles. Next one is the basic 2D controller, which is something that you can drag and drop in, which has movement, jump, double jump, dash, wall jump, with a custom inspector and demo scene, so you can get this straight in. Nice little controller in 2D for your scene. Next one is something called the Burnt Wax FPS engine. So it's a foundation for building an FPS system in Unity, which includes modular and extendable systems for player movement, camera control, weapons, impact effects, and loading and saving too. We've got the Essentials Nature Pack, which is a selection of trees, shrubs, different rocks, and other types included, with various different LODs, the low polygon counts, and various textures included. We've got the basic Dwarf Motions Free, which includes some idles, fallings, jumps, runs, sprints, social talking, and a few other integrations here too. The next one is the Simple Water Shader. So this one is specifically for a stylized game, and it looks nice where you can customize the colors, the foam, the waves, the intersection effects. With the simple terrain based shader, you can do height based coloring, simple foliage, and it's got a few different assets added into this too. We've got the Toon shader pack with 10 stylized different materials, and these include presets of basic toon, anime style, glossy toon, soft stylized rim glow, metallic toon, cartoon flat, stylized outline, dark stylized, and highlight effect. We've got one called the Recolor tool, which is a UV editor. So this is great for stylized projects, low poly assets, or just rapid prototyping. And you can repin areas of the UV map really nicely, and you can select colors based what's already there to be able to recolor it. Next one is something called Screen Recorder, and some of the ones from Unity aren't supported very well, and this one has 2 types of capture mode for specific cameras, and it uses GPU acceleration to do it. You can record anywhere between 15 and 60 frames, and it's got loads of different quality presets and helps you create either a full game view or from specific cameras. We've got the MK Easy Text plus UI effects. So this is something that you can drop in with UI Toolkit, and you can customize the layers, the glow, the outer glow, and other things within there to make your own animated and suitable text. We've got something called Confine UI. So this keeps the UI inside the parent game object. So if you ever have game elements that move, this could be great for tooltips, speech bubbles, or off-screen indicators. And the last one here is the Live Voice AI Lite, compatible with Gemini Live. It allows you to have voice and text chat and get answers directly inside the Unity editor. And it's fully multilingual with 29 different languages, with loads of different documentation, with lots of different voices and other responses, and might be one that you can use going forward. So do be sure to check out all these great assets. I'll put all the links down below so you don't miss out on a thing. I'll link to everything else that's useful, and do check out Unity's sale that's on at the very moment. You'll be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 240 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And thank you to everybody who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.